Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to see what's going on with your hard drive when it comes to what files and folders are using your disk space and also what types of files are taking up your disk space. So it's called Glary Disk Explorer. So it's a free download. You just install it and run it. Then you could either pick drives or you could have it just scan a folder. So we're going to do both hard drives on this computer just to get a good idea of what's going on. Okay, so here is the C drive, everything on it here. So you can see whatever this is here is taking up the most space. And here's its location, taking up 2% of the space. It's a system file. And then you could sort by percentage if you want. Location, size, name. So right now it's set to show all types of files, and then you can see over here it's got a breakdown of the main files here. And if we click on Show Extensions, it'll show what extensions are being used and how many of each type of file that uses a particular extension. And then you could go to Videos, Compressed Files. So here's all the compressed files on the C drive, audio files, pictures. Then you could right-click on them, open, copy path to clipboard, copy name to clipboard, open it in Explorer. Launch a command prompt to that directory that this file happens to be in. That's a nice feature. Delete to recycle bin, delete, and just view the properties. And you have the same options up here at the top. Okay, so now we're on the E drive here. So this is still on pictures here. So this is the biggest picture. And you can see here are the top files, and then there's 58% others. So we need to go back to all types if I want to get a better idea. So 252 megabytes, that is the biggest file on the E drive. And that matches here, and it just kind of gives you a breakdown down to the remaining other at 49%. All right, so let's look at the users and documents, because this might be a handy place for you to look at. So this is the user account that has the most usage right here. Okay, so all types. So the biggest file is this executable, which matches here. And if I want to just look at documents, for example, so it'll do, Word documents, PDFs, HTML. It even considers JavaScript files as documents. And then we go to pictures, but you can see a lot of them are in the downloads and app data, so these might not be ones you're interested in. So in that case, you might want to actually go to your pictures. Okay, so here's a breakdown of our largest pictures here, with this banker's tank being the largest one. And if we go just on the user itself, if we're concerned about which files in the user profile are taking up the most space, you can see this template file is almost 19 megabytes, so it's not that big of a file, but it's the largest one here, all the way down to the smallest one at 43 bytes there, and then the location and so on. And down at the bottom here we have use space, 18% for this folder. And if we were to click on the C drive itself here, use space 52%, total space, free space. Changing it to all types will not change this, by the way, because it's not counting what category you're on, it's just counting the total. All right, then up here you could reanalyze, you could make an exclusion list. You could export it to a CSV file. Then you have the same options here with Explorer, Command Prompt, and Properties. And here's some view options. If you want to, maybe get rid of the pie chart, you could turn that off, and so on. And then down here at the right, they have an Upgrade to Pro link. So if you want to upgrade to the Pro version with some additional features, you could do that. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty simple app, but at the same time, it's really easy to use and gives you a really good idea of what's going on with your computer when it comes to what files are taking up the most space. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Glary Disk Explorer and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.